Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up custom notification for a specific contact on WhatsApp. Let's get started. First of all, open your WhatsApp on your phone. Then you have to choose the contact that you want to set up the custom notification, and I'm going to choose this contact. And you gotta click on this three dots button to view the contact profile. Just click on view contact right here, but you can also click on the name of the contact right here to view the contact like this. And you can choose custom notification, guys. Alright, and don't forget to click on this button. And you can also choose the notification tone right here. There are a lot of tones that you can use for your contacts, and I'm going to choose beep once. Just simply click on the notification tone that you like, and after that we can click on this button. And now the custom notification has been turned on, and that's how we can set up custom notification for a specific contact on WhatsApp. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.